Hey everyone, today we are taking a look at the OBSBOT Meet 2 webcam. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So this is the space gray version, but also comes in other colors. Here we have the instruction manual, papers. Here's a little stand, a little magnetic stand for it, so you can place it somewhere. In this box, metal thing, and then you get your USB-C cable in here, all the wiring. And here is the camera itself. Super tiny and compact. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The OBSBOT Meet 2 is a compact, AI-powered 4K webcam that's redefining what a plug-and-play camera can do. Whether you're streaming or doing video calls, this device promises to keep you looking sharp and sounding crystal clear. The Meet 2 keeps things minimal and stylish with a colorful cube aesthetic that fits right into any setup. It's lightweight, portable, and comes in multiple colors to match your vibe. Plus, it includes a magnetic privacy cover that snaps on and off easily to help hide your identity or keep certain moments private. It delivers crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second, or you can switch to 1080p at 60 frames for smoother motion. And thanks to HDR support and its half-inch CMOS sensor with an f1.8 aperture, your images stay vibrant and clear, even in low light. So whether you're in a dim room or a bright studio, the Meet 2 keeps your video crisp and professional. And here's where things get smart. The Meet 2 uses AI auto framing to keep you centered. And it can do it solo or in a group. It adapts in real time and switches between landscape and portrait modes effortlessly. And with using gesture controls, you can zoom, lock the focus, or activate framing with just a wave, giving you more ways to control. And audio is just as important, and OBSBOT nails it with dual omnidirectional noise-canceling microphones, which your voice cuts through background noise with clarity, helping your voice to cut through background noise with clarity, making it ideal for podcasts, meetings, or live streams. And this is what the microphones sound like straight from the camera, so there's no need for any external microphone setups. And when you combine that with the fast PDAF autofocus, you've got a webcam that keeps both your voice and visuals on point. And when you download the free OBSBOT Center software, you can customize further settings, such as tweaking the brightness and contrast, applying cinematic filters, or you can even activate beauty mode, which has filters that can smooth out your skin, brighten your eyes, and slim your face. Or you can even blur out the background behind you. It also supports multi-camera setups, so creators can switch angles seamlessly, and it's super easy to install on Windows and Mac OS, with no drivers and no headaches. So to wrap it up, the Meet 2 is more than just a webcam. It's a smart, stylish, and powerful tool for anyone serious about video. So if you're looking to up your streaming game, then definitely take a look at the OBSBOT Meet 2 webcam today. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.